Apache Maven is a build automation tool used primarily for Java projects. Based on the concept of a project object model, POM, Maven can manage a project's build, reporting, and documentation from a central piece of information. Maven's primary goal is to allow a developer to comprehend the complete state of a development effort in the shortest period of time. Maven adheres to the principle of convention over configuration that helps building Maven projects with very little configuration. Systems, libraries, and frameworks should assume reasonable defaults, and systems should just work without requiring unnecessary configuration. The configuration of a Maven project is done by creating a file called POM.xml located at the root of the project. This file is referred to as the POM file. Each POM file inherits from a global super POM that defined common properties for all Maven projects.